UnicodeEncodeError, Charmap codec can't encode characters. I'm trying to scrape a website, but it gives me an error. I'm using the following code. And I'm getting the following error. What can I do to fix this?
I was getting the same UnicodeEncode error when saving scraped web content to a file. To fix it, I replaced this code with this. If you need to support Python 2, then use this. If you want to use a different encoding than UTF-8, specify whatever your actual encoding is for encoding.
I fixed it by adding .encode UTF-8 to soup. That means that print_soup becomes print_soup.encode UTF-8.
In Python 3.7, and running Windows 10 this worked. I am not sure whether it will work on other platforms or other versions of Python, replacing this line with this. The reason why it is working is because the encoding is changed to UTF-8 from using the file, so characters in UTF-8 are able to be converted to text, instead of returning an error when it encounters a UTF-8 character that is not supported by the current encoding.
You may or may not need to set that second environment variable Python legacy Windows STO. Alternatively, this can be done in code, although it seems that doing it through envars is recommended. Additionally, reproducing this error was a bit of a pain, so leaving this here too in case you need to reproduce it on your machine.
While saving the response of getRequest, same error was thrown on Python 3.7 on Windows 10. The response received from the URL encoding was UTF-8, so it is always recommended to check the encoding so same can be passed to avoid such trivial issue, as it really kills lots of time in production. When I added encoding equals UTF-8 with the open command, it saved the file with the correct response.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.